Introduction to Accounting and its Fundamental Concepts. Welcome to our Accounting Fundamentals training. By the end of this training, you will understand the definition and purpose of accounting. Identify the users of accounting information and types of accounting. Analyze the accounting equation and its components. Prepare basic financial statements and understand their significance. Here are the essential concepts and how to apply them. The accounting equation is fundamental to understanding financial health. The accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Basic accounting principles including GAAP. Steps in the accounting cycle. Financial statement analysis using ratios. Users of accounting information include investors, managers, and regulators. Identify users of accounting information and types of accounting. Understand the significance of accounting in decision-making. Ethical considerations are vital for trust in financial statements. Recognize the importance of ethical practices in accounting. Discuss the implications of unethical financial reporting. Financial statements provide insights into a company's operations. Learn to prepare and analyze financial statements. Use financial ratios to assess performance. Now let's reinforce your learning with real-world scenarios. Consider how a small business owner uses accounting for success. A small business owner tracking revenue and expenses. Apply accounting principles to make informed decisions. Analyze a student's journey in managing their tutoring business. A student starting a tutoring business and analyzing transactions. Examine how transactions affect the accounting equation. Adjusting entries ensure financial statements reflect true performance. Adjusting entries for prepaid expenses and accrued revenues. Recognize the importance of accurate financial reporting. Bank reconciliations help maintain accurate financial records. Preparing a bank reconciliation statement. Ensure cash balances are accurate and complete. Now let's recap what you learned. Accounting is crucial for informed decision-making. The accounting equation is key for financial analysis. Accrual accounting provides a clearer financial picture. Internal controls prevent fraud and errors. Please reach out to our accounting team if you have questions. Let's apply these principles effectively. Thank you for participating in our Accounting Fundamentals training.